Welcome to the world of career and technology education at Smyrna High School. Over 1,800 students attend Smyrna High School, with over 80% of our student population enrolled in CTE pathways. Our goal is to prepare students for college and the workplace as we make connections and build dreams. In order to graduate from Smyrna High School, students must earn 26 credits, with at least 3 in a single career and technology education pathway. This presentation will examine the 16 different career pathways available to you at Smyrna High School. First, we begin with Agriculture, Power, and Engineering, taught by Mr. Carlisle. Students practice real-world applications, communication skills, and problem-solving skills associated with dynamic power systems and metal fabrication. Students prepare for a variety of careers, including engineering, welding technicians, metal fabrication, CNC operations, repair and troubleshooting, and green energy technologies. Agriculture, Power, and Engineering students participate in FFA. Agriculture, Structures, and Engineering, taught by Mrs. Holmes. This pathway prepares students in a variety of areas, including shop safety, carpentry, engineering, agricultural design, electrical, plumbing, masonry, construction framing, business management, sales, building maintenance, home improvement, and green energy technologies. Agriculture, Structures, and Engineering students participate in FFA. Animal Science, taught by Mr. Shane. This pathway explores the animal science industry and food system of the United States in order to foster an understanding of the steps involved in producing livestock products for consumers, as well as covering food safety issues. Students have the opportunity for a hands-on instruction using large domestic animals housed on the school campus, and they also extend their involvement with these animals through participating in livestock shows throughout the Mid-Atlantic region. Students in Animal Science participate in FFA. Natural Resources Management, taught by Mrs. Taylor. This pathway introduces students to a wide range of renewable natural resources such as soils, water, vegetation, wildlife, and recreation. Students interested in natural resources are typically drawn to natural settings and environments, enjoy nature, and want to develop the professional knowledge and skills needed to conserve, steward, and manage natural resources and the environment. Natural Resource Management students participate in FFA. Plant Science, taught by Mrs. Michaud. This pathway studies the production of plants while developing an understanding of one of the largest employment sectors. Areas of study include soils, hydroponics, plant anatomy and physiology, taxonomy, growing environments, plant reproduction, insects and diseases, along with production and marketing. Students have access to the school greenhouse for hands-on learning and plant sales. Plant science students participate in FFA. Digital Communication Technology, taught by Dr. Fergale. In this pathway, students apply the skills and tools of digital designers used in graphic design, pixel-based imagery manipulation, HTML coding, digital video production, vector image manipulation, digital illustration, and digital publishing, using modern industry-leading technology and software. Digital communication students produce the in-school morning announcements from their studio and also participate in the TSA organization. The Academy of Business Information Management, taught by Mrs. Holford. This pathway introduces students to the skills needed to plan, organize, direct, and evaluate business functions essential to efficient and productive business operations by focusing on entrepreneurship, global and domestic economics, information technology, customer service, and ethics. Students gain critical career knowledge through a series of work-based learning activities that are conducted in school as well as outside the classroom, and a 120-hour paid summer internship. Students in the Academy of Business Information Management pathway participate in Business Professionals of America. The Academy of Finance pathway, taught by Mrs. Hughes and Mr. Rudolph. This pathway engages students with the world of financial services by focusing on banking and credit, financial planning, accounting, and insurance. Students gain career knowledge through a series of work-based learning activities that are conducted in school and outside of the classroom, along with a 120-hour paid summer internship. Completion of the program is validated with a certificate from the National Academy of Finance, and students in this pathway participate in Business Professionals of America. Accounting, taught by Mrs. Graff. This pathway examines the principles of financial accounting, depreciation, inventory, the business structures of proprietorships, partnerships, and corporations, computerized accounting, personal financial planning, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, insurance, income taxes, budgets, and credit. Students who complete the entire pathway can also obtain the QuickBooks certification. Students enrolled in accounting also participate in the Business Professionals of America. Computer Science, taught by Mrs. Ulrich. Students in this pathway understand how computing changes the world. Computational practices, including algorithm development, is used to create programs that can solve problems. Students engage in topics such as interface design, limits of computers and society, and ethical issues related to innovation. Students learn to write, run, test, and debug solutions in the Java programming language. Students have the opportunity to prepare for 2 different College Board exams, AP Computer Science Principles and AP Computer Science A. Students enrolled in computer science also participate in Business Professionals of America. Marketing Today, taught by Mrs. Cameranci. Students in this pathway focus on marketing in the digital age and how companies can be successful by implementing a variety of strategies. Students gain career and industry knowledge through a series of work-based learning activities in and out of the classroom through internships, apprenticeships, career experience opportunities, and project completion. Students in the 3rd level of marketing operate the Eagle Outlet School Store. Marketing Today students participate in the DECA student organization. Early Childhood Education, taught by Mrs. Cole, Mrs. Samori, and Mrs. Henderson. Students in the pathway learn essential skills related to child care and early childhood development. The pathway introduces the foundations of child development, explores early childhood, and provides practical child care field experiences. Upon successful completion of the pathway, students may receive Delaware First, training for early care and education certification. Students also have the opportunity to earn an early childhood and school-age intern certificate, CPR certification, as well as college credit through the dual enrollment course. Students will also have the opportunity to participate in the Educators Rising organization. K-12 Teacher Academy, taught by Mrs. Willis. This pathway prepares students for careers in elementary and secondary education. Observation opportunities in a variety of age and discipline settings provide practical experiences while enriching student learning. Students also participate in long-term placement during their senior year and can earn professional development certifications and micro-credentials. In addition, opportunities for dual enrollment credit are available through Wilmington University. Students in the K-12 Teacher Academy will also have the opportunity to participate in the Educators Rising organization. Allied Health, taught by Mrs. Campanicki and Mrs. Lindell. This pathway engages students in open-minded problem solving, medical terminology, human anatomy and physiology. Students will acquire important healthcare skills in medical mathematics, communication, safety practices, legal responsibilities, and teamwork. In addition, students will develop technical skills in wound care, vital signs, throat culture, and strep testing. Students who successfully complete the Anatomy and Physiology 1 course will receive dual enrollment credit at Delaware Technical and Community College. Students enrolled in the pathway also have the opportunity to participate in the HOSA Future Health Professionals organization. Culinary and Hospitality Management, taught by Mrs. Suzuki. In this pathway, students explore management and culinary skills needed for success in the restaurant and hospitality industry. ProStart trains students on specific industry skills that can be used in all aspects of the restaurant and hospitality industry, along with employability skills like leadership, accountability, teamwork, and responsibility. Students have the opportunity to earn the ProStart National Certificate of Achievement, Safe Serve Manager Certification, and Heart Saver, First Aid, CPR, AED certification. Students enrolled in this pathway will have the opportunity to participate in the Family, Career, and Community Leaders of America, FCCLA organization. Project Lead the Way STEM, taught by Mr. Lambert, Mrs. Tucker, and Mr. Semenik. Students in this 3-year pathway tackle a variety of topics, from launching space explorations to delivering safe, clean water to communities. Engineers find solutions to pressure problems and turn their ideas into reality. Project Lead the Way is a nationally recognized engineering curriculum which empowers students to step into the role of an engineer, adopt a problem-solving mindset, and take the lead from dreamers to doers. Compelling real-world challenges help students become better collaborators and thinkers. Students enrolled in this pathway will have the opportunity to participate in the TSA organization. Now let's look at work-based learning. Career Experience, overseen by Mr. Davis, formerly known as Co-op, is designed for any CTE student that has completed their program of study and has a job associated with it. Students entering their senior year obtain credit towards graduation and get paid by their employer. Students have the opportunity to select either late arrival or early release based on the needs of their employer and document their time, duties, and responsibilities while on the job. Online activities also allow students to complete assignments independently while learning about employability and leadership skills. Based on total employment time, students may earn 1 or 2 course credits for their efforts. Job placement assistance is also available through a number of organizations and partnerships. Looking to expand your horizons? Every CTE pathway at Smyrna High School is affiliated with a CTSO or Career and Technology Student Organization. These student organizations are nationally recognized and have competitive leadership and community service events associated with them. Students may also earn award recognitions, scholarship, and travel opportunities to local, state, regional, and national events for their efforts. Contact your CTE teacher to learn more about the student leadership organization in your career pathway. Momentarily, you'll be able to meet some of the CTE ambassadors from Smyrna High School and learn more about their pathway experiences. So are you ready for the next steps? Shortly, you'll be dismissed. Students with the last name ending in A through M will report to the multipurpose room. Students with the last name ending in N through Z will report to the cafeteria. Be sure to bring your pathway paper with you so you know who to visit. Once you arrive to your destination, you will have the opportunity to visit with 4 pathways, so choose carefully. Today's program is subject to change, and a special CTE showcase display has been set up in the multipurpose room for you to visit. Following today's presentation, we would also like to invite you and your parents to attend a very special 8th grade Spotlight Night at Smyrna High School on Thursday evening, January 27th from 6 to 8 p.m. in the auditorium. The evening will allow you to tour Smyrna High School and learn about scheduling your freshman year. So don't miss out on a chance to win door prizes and learn about other clubs and organizations at Smyrna High School. Smyrna High School, making connections and building dreams. Come see us.